Did you know that you can install dozens of third-party apps that work within Schoology? To do this, simply visit the App Center on the 4x4 box on the top toolbar of your Schoology account, and you'll see dozens of third-party apps that work within Schoology. Some common ones are Khan Academy and YouTube, Nearpod, but for this example today, I'm going to show you how to use Quizlet, which is a great flashcard system that helps develop language proficiency in your classes. You'll have to have an administrator install it for you, but once it's installed, you can then authorize it for all course admins and all for your courses. Once this is installed, simply navigate to your course. In this case, I'm going to show you how to install this within my yearbook class, and I will simply click Materials and Add Assignment. What you'll see though is you'll see your third-party apps installed on the right side, and the first time you install this, you'll have to authorize it, but from that, you can then filter and search for materials that you want your students to participate in without having to visit the site itself. So in this example, I'm searching for a photography bank that has a lot of terms that I'd like my students to do. And I'm just going to have a large embedded image. So this will cause this Quizlet to basically be embedded on my Schoology page as a resource for my students. So when they click that, they will see that and they can participate in it right within the Schoology platform instead of having to navigate to Quizlet itself. So check out these features in Schoology.